Yes, it's smoothie variety day, and we're using 4 interesting ingredients from Veggie Express. We have the organic kale here, and then the black currant, and then the strawberries and mango. You wait for it, and you're so going to love the final result. So let's get right into the business for today. Whoop! So we have just 4 basic ingredients of 5. Yep, so we have the black currant, and then coconut flakes, water, that's about half cup of water, and oats milk that I made, honey, 1 or 2 tablespoons to your preference, and then vanilla flavor. So we're just going to put all blend together and we'll see the final results. There you have it. Ooh, looks really nice. It's time to taste. This is yummy. And so we're making another smoothie. Here we have half cup oats, and this is 1 cup tiger nut milk, and this is 1 medium-sized banana. If you have 2 small ones, this is about half cup strawberries, a tablespoon or 2 of honey depending on how sweet you want it, and lastly a vanilla extract, which will be half teaspoon. Now we're just going to blend it all up and enjoy. So we pour out. Oh, this looks so yummy. Time to just taste it. Oh wow, tastes so good. Next on, we're having the mango. Ooh, this looks so yummy. So here we have 1 cup of mango, and then a half cup of milk. So any nut milk, this is tiger nut milk, homemade, and then 1 cup of watermelon, and just a little tiny bit of bananas. If you want to add more, that's up to you. We'll blend and of course enjoy. Time to pour. Ooh, this is a big one. Oh my goodness. Now let's taste and see that the smoothie is yummy. Wow. So next up is our kale smoothie. So you have about a half cup of frozen kale, and then you have bananas, and then you have 1 cup of pineapple, and here is a tiger nut milk, and honey is optional really if you just want it a little bit sweet. And of course we will blend and enjoy. Time to pour. Oh, so let's taste and see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow.